Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Apogea not launching using the simple and the easy methods. So these fixes work for most of the users on PC and you don't need to be a tech expert. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to basically close your Apogea game completely. Afterwards, you need to right click on the taskbar. Now click on the option of Task Manager. Now, when you are inside Task Manager, you need to make sure that you are under Processes. Now, in the processes, you are going to see all of the softwares which are basically running in the background. So among these, you need to look for Apogea. When you are able to find it, simply right click on it, then click on the option of End Task. After doing this, simply click on the Start menu, then click on the option of this power button. After that, simply restart your PC. Once you have done that, you just have to simply basically come inside your PC again. Then you need to right click on the Apogea icon and you need to run it as administrator. So with the help of this method alone, you are definitely going to fix this particular issue. But if the issue still persists, you can also try the second method, in which you need to right click on the taskbar, then click on the option of taskbar settings. So here, once you are inside your settings, simply click on the option of Windows Security. So here in the privacy and security, simply look for the option of virus and threat protection. So here in the virus and threat protection, you need to look for your protection history. So if Apogea not blocked here, you just have to click on the allow on device. Also temporarily disable the real-time protection and try launching the software or the game launcher again. So this way you will be able to fix Apogea not launching. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.